And we are in front of an Rimor Horus 145. Getting to the actual price and specs. So this campervan is 56,000 euros. With the promo Fiera with Veranda e Pannello Solare, it's actually 57,000 euros. With this actual price specs is 60,000 euros. Sleeps and actually sleeps 5 with the front dinette table and drives 4. I will be now entering inside to check some of the specs. Firstly, there is a wide sitting comfy area with actual fold half table. Upper part, cabinet space. There is no storage right here, but actually pretty wide opening. Fiat Ducato chassis. From this side we are looking at a Dometic 2-burner stove with the actual sink. Pretty wide cabinets, and there are actually 3 of them. We have another cabinet right up here, and then we have the toilet with the actual Thetford cassette toilet shower unit. Not bad. Let's go look down and get out to check the actual Thetford fridge. Good. Under the Thetford fridge we are looking to a storage, and then the best part of this campervan is the double bunk bed. We shall be looking outside and checking out to the back. So this is the bunk bed, and actually let's measure the bed size so you have a better understanding. 1.436 from this side and 1.434, so it's the same size from both sides. And if you are looking to the upper bed, we are getting an error. It's 1.3, so the same size as for the upper bed, but it's slightly narrower at about 1.7 at the narrower part. But for kids it's perfect. And getting out, watching again this Rimor Horus 145 van.